What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Today I have the Stylecraft Rebel. We're gonna open it up, get it charged, and cut some hair with it. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about it. All right, guys, so like I said, today we have the Stylecraft Rebel. Guys, this is a brand new clipper from Stylecraft. Honestly, guys, I've been waiting for the low pros from Babyliss, and I went out to the mailbox last night, opened it up. There was a big box in there. I thought it was the low pros. I pulled it out, and it said Stylecraft on it. So I wasn't even sure what it was. Guys, honestly, I didn't really know much about this clipper coming out. But when I opened it up, guys, it was the Rebel and some Stylecraft and Gamma hats. So I got one of the hats. I let some of my guys get some of the hats. And now we have the Rebel to open up for you guys. So as far as I know, guys, the Rebel is the new and improved Alpha. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, I love the Alpha. I absolutely loved it when it came out. It's the shape of the traditional clipper, like a Wall Senior. It's got that same shape. Of course, it was all blacked out, matched my station. But I want to show you guys what the Alpha sounds like today. So like I said, guys, I love the Alpha, but probably a month, maybe after using it, the battery life just went downhill. I compare it to Magic Clips. A lot of people love Magic Clips. To me, guys, you use a Magic Clip heavy for about a month, and you just get that buzz that's a little bit lower. The power's just not there. So I was definitely upset. I spoke so highly about the Alphas, and I was super stoked about them. Loved the clipper when I was using it, and then they went kind of to crap. So anyway, guys, this is the new improved version as far as I know. We are gonna read the box because I don't know anything about it, see what it's all about. Of course, like normal, we will open it up, put it on the charger, I'll cut a couple heads with it, and at the end of the video, I'll tell you guys what I think. All right, guys, so you see Stylecraft Rebel. It comes, I did already pop the top. It comes with a blue lid on it. It comes with a black and red lid and a pink, and it looks green, but I haven't really paid attention. So professional modular, super torque clipper, super torque, we'll see. You guys see we got the blue clipper on the side, the pink on this side. Now on the bottom it says we have the tight or stretch taper length. Guys, that is the stretch bracket. So if you guys haven't seen that in my other videos, it's gonna allow the lever to open up a little bit further and give you that further open section. Super torque motor, 3 interchangeable custom body kits. Guys, if you're not familiar with Stylecraft and Gamma, they always come with different color body kits. And that's really one of my favorite things about them. I know that's silly, but as barbers, we like cool stuff. We like to customize stuff, and they send plenty of options when they send these clippers. It's got the black diamond cutter DLC blade. That is the cutting blade, guys. That's their new and improved DLC cutter. DC rotary motor, 7,200 RPMs. Now, guys, if I remember right, I believe the Alpha is not a rotary motor, so that is gonna make this more powerful and run a lot smoother, and hopefully that will be the difference. Customizable click, guys, it will come with the click lever. You can take the lever off and take the spring out, and you won't have the clicks anymore. Adjustable zero gap blade. Of course, guys, most things we can zero gap. 3-hour runtime, lithium ion battery. Mini USB rechargeable, and it has the double magnetic guards. Guys, honestly, I've been using those a lot. For the videos, I make sure I use my color guards, but when I'm cutting in the shop, I do use the double magnetics quite a bit. So guys, the back says most of the same stuff. We got the black diamond fusion blade. It does come with the fusion blade, guys. I am enjoying the fusion blade. I use the fade blade on the Saber, but really the fusion blade is my favorite. I think, guys, I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna use it out of the box, but afterward, I'm gonna put the stretch bracket on it with the fusion blade. And basically, guys, the fusion blade is gonna be shorter, so the open section is a little bit tighter. It's gonna throw off my steps just slightly. So that stretch bracket is gonna allow that to open up a little bit further and make it match the steps more evenly. It does come with other levers, guys. It comes with pink and blue, so if you change the lid, you can change the lever. Of course, we have the charging dock. It's the same as the Alpha, I already checked it out. 8 double magnetic guards and the cleaning kit, the normal kit, guys, the stretch bracket, oil, clipper brush, and the screwdriver. So anyway, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. All right, guys, so you can see already, we talked about it. Here's the clipper with the blue lid. We got the pink. It is kind of green. I guess this is kind of our neon yellow from Klutch. And then the pink has the green as well. And then the black lid has red. Unfortunately, the black lid doesn't have green, because you know that's how I would use it, guys. So you guys probably can't tell from looking right there, but these do have kind of a thumb indentation on the top here. So where your thumb will sit on the clipper, it does kind of have a short spot or a shallow spot. So I kind of do want to use these lids, but I do have the Alpha lid that is all matte black, so I may swap that on here as well. But anyway, guys, we have the 2 lids. I did already take the dock out. I have it set up. We're gonna throw this right on the charger so we can cut some hair with it. But here's the clipper, guys. All right, guys, so here is the blue Stylecraft Rebel. You guys can see it is very much just like the Alpha, same shape. Like I said, it does have I'm gonna see if I get it close if you guys can see. So you guys can see the little dimple here at the top for your thumb when you're holding it. That's pretty cool, that's a nice add-on. But yeah guys, not a whole lot more to talk about. It's very much like the Alpha. It's supposed to be new and improved with a new battery, or a new motor I should say. Of course we have the Fusion blade like we talked about guys. It does have the click lever. And I'm gonna turn this thing on and let you guys hear it. It's absolutely better. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for the Rebel. I'm gonna throw it on the charger. I'm gonna cut a couple heads today. Guys, it's Friday. If you're watching this, it's Sunday. So we're gonna get this video done today for you guys. This thing's brand new. I can't wait to use it. And I'll let you guys know in the end what I think about it. All right guys, so for my final thoughts on the Rebel, they are without a doubt more powerful than the Alpha. You guys know I love the Alpha. That was the major downfall. And so they're definitely an improvement there. I don't know if you guys noticed from watching the haircuts, I did struggle a little bit. Like I said, guys, I'm so used to cutting with a taper blade. When I go to a fade blade, it throws it off just a little bit. And then, like I said, the double magnetic guards on top of that are slightly different than the wall guards that I usually use. So honestly, those cuts didn't come out as fire as I wanted them to, but I wanted to use only that clipper and show you guys the end result. So that's really something I can adjust to and learn. Like I said, I am gonna throw the stretch bracket on, and that will allow that fusion blade to open up slightly more, and that should get my steps right back on track with the normal clippers that I use. But overall, guys, definitely a huge improvement. I am absolutely gonna keep it on the station, throw a black lid on it. Like I said, I wish the black lid had green letters. I would absolutely rock it, but I'm probably gonna throw my Alpha lid on it, throw the stretch bracket on there, and we're gonna see what we can do with it. So you guys will see it in some future videos, and I will touch on how it's working out for me when you guys see it again. If you guys wanna grab this Rebel or any other Gamma Stylecraft clippers, go to gammaplusna.com or stylecraftus.com, and you guys can use the code Seancutshair and save 10% on any of their clippers. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that thumbs up if you like my review and unboxing on the Stylecraft Rebel. If you guys want to grab one, definitely do so. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this clipper. Make sure you guys subscribe. I got another Topic Tuesday and another dope tutorial coming your way, and I'll catch you guys next time.